Hi, I'm so sorry. My cat is being horrible and I'm chasing her up the stairs.
Honey, I'm sorry I was late. My new puppy was being horrible. I was
Oh,
chasing him into the house. So take
that's
your
what I'm
time.
doing.
I feel you. I feel you. How old's your cat?
Four.
Four.
And
What's her name?
horrible.
Or his name?
Her name is Pippin. What's your doggy's name?
Otto. Otto. He's my
Oh,
first dog. I've only had cats before. I love cats. They're
oh,
a
me
little
too.
different.
They are.
They are.
Yeah, I want a dog really bad, but I
Well,
have cats.
we got a
I'm
great.
grabbing my thing.
We heard they're really good with cats, so I'm hoping we can get a cat too.
Oh, I was like, he's really big
Yeah,
for a
he's
puppy.
60 pounds, 4 months old. He's
Oh
gonna
my
be
gosh.
200, Abby. I can't believe
Oh
it.
my God. That's gigantic.
Huge, huge. I was
Wow.
trying to sleep all the time, but he's not doing that quite now.
You're so cute.
He's sweet. Hello, Abby. Cool. Does now still work though? Your cat good?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah. She's inside now.
awesome. So I'm happy to help you with your curling headband. Thank you so much for being our curl friend. Otto thanks you as well. Don't you, Otto? Yes.
Yay, Otto.
Oh, Otto. I set up a chair for him because he's having a lot of, yeah, he just likes to be near me right now.
No, he's having separation anxiety.
Exactly, exactly. So I read your questionnaire, Abby. It says you have shorter hair. I'm guessing it's in a
Mhm.
ponytail right now.
Yeah,
Not
it's in little buttons.
Oh, super cute. I love it. I love it. Naturally wavy hair, right? So it holds the curling iron curl. Cool. That's going to be great. And you haven't used it yet, correct?
I hadn't when I filled out the questionnaire. I've tried it twice now, and I
Okay.
think it's possible that my hair is too short
Okay. Okay. So
right
what
now.
are the issues? Tell me what's happening and I can try to help you with this.
It just won't stay in.
It won't stay in. Okay, cool.
Yeah,
Um,
like as soon as I do it, the curls like loosen. Like I think they're just not wrapped around enough. Stop it.
okay, awesome. Um, I don't want to have you take your hair out of the space buns because
Oh
they're
no, I
cute.
can
Is
take
that
it out.
okay? Are you sure? They're really
Yeah,
cute.
yeah. They
Okay.
go back in easy. That's why I did this.
Oh, I love
So
the
I
cut.
I
It's
just got it cut and she cut layers and I didn't really want layers.
it looks so.
Um,
You have a lot of hair. You have great hair.
Thank you. It's very big though and frizzy. So I but the shortest layers, like that's
Got
how
it.
long that is.
Okay. Let's
And
give
I
it
wanted it to my collarbone. So it's like 2 inches shorter than I wanted it.
just shorter. So in like 2 months, it'll get there. 2 to 4.
Yeah,
Yeah. I bet your hair grows fast. It looks super healthy. That's the good thing.
it does go pretty fast.
It does. It's really cute, Abby. I love it.
Thank
I really do. I'm jealous. I want it. I want to just hack it all.
you.
Big decision. I can't do it. But cool. We can go through it together and I think we'll see if we can get this to work. I think we can. I'm optimistic here.
Cool.
Only because my husband has like the same length hair and it works on him. So I'm like, okay.
Okay. Love.
I know he's helpful with like prototyping and stuff. Um,
Yeah, seriously.
although he like the curls are great, but he looks a bit like Lord Farquaad from Shrek when it comes out. It's just like
I
really
love it.
perfect. Yeah. But awesome. All right. So when you did it in the past, question, did you prep your hair at all? Yay or nay?
Um, I thought, well, I took a shower and then I dried it.
Okay, air dried it.
And no, I like dried it with a thing because I was gonna sleep in it.
Okay, that's totally fine too, because your hair will hold a curl. So yeah, if you're doing that, that's totally fine. You can totally blow dry it and don't put any more water on after you do that, because your hair, while it like dries from the blow dry, it'll set.
Cool,
So just put it in right after you blow dry it and you'll be good to go. Otherwise, if you put
cool.
water in your hair, just like a heads up, your hair is going to like naturally want to form a curl really quickly and really hard. And so you can end up with really tight curls pretty easily that are not going to dry.
Mm.
So if you do end up using water ever, just like super, super lightly perfume your hair with water, like very little. And I would
Okay.
say what you're doing with the blow dry is like the best approach. It'll set well.
Okay, cool.
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 Awesome. Awesome. All right. First things first, let's find our scrunchies and put them on our wrists so that we have that. Cool. Good girl. And then we have our headbands. Awesome. And then I like to start by folding it in half so that the ends are even and you get a crease right in the middle.
Cool.
And you'll notice there's a wire all along one side, right? So when we put
Yes.
it on, we want the wire facing forward, not backwards.
Okay.
If it's backwards,
Cool.
it'll feel like it's sliding off. Awesome. And the crease helps it just like kind of sit centered so the ends are even. Great. Nailed it, Abby. Step one done. All right. Now, yeah, I know the balance. I feel like we're in like finishing school. Like balance it on your head. Good posture.
Yeah, seriously.
Now, are you a righty or a lefty?
I'm a righty.
Righty. Okay. So left hand on top. All right. I notice your ends are a little uneven. It's kind of like this. So just kind of even it out a little bit. There you go. Yeah. Get that crease back in the middle. Perfect. There you go. Beautiful. Left hand on top. With your right hand, fold it in half on the right side. This is a little hack. What we're making right now, Abby, is just like a little tiny pigtail. And it doesn't matter if all your hair gets in it. We're going to grab the hair on the right side and pull it over that little crease that we made. And then push the headband end backwards and just try to like get some hair in there. And then wrap the head.
A little bit of hair.
Bingo. Yeah, it doesn't matter as long as it just kind of locks the headband in place so that we can let go.
Oh, yeah, that works.
Perfect. Okay, great. Hi, Otto. Thank you for your help here. All right, so we can start on the other side now. We're going to take a small, really small front section. And we're going to pull her over and then under. And what we can do, Abby, is do it a second time. Because you have layers, I'm going to give you this approach. Normally, we just do it once. Perfect. Okay. Now, it will just take a second section right underneath the first, keeping it a small section, kind of close to the hairline. Beautiful. And pull it over and under. And again, a second time. The second time kind of like locks in any of the layers that start to like splay out and just gives it like more points of contact so it doesn't slide as much. Cool. And then we can do it again, a third section right underneath and combined. Okay. Cool. Wrap it around once, wrap her around twice. How does it feel? It looks
a lot better.
Fabulous. It looks great. You have each wrap touching the last, which is good. So you don't see the headband underneath. That's awesome. That means the curls will be like an even, consistent shape. Fabulous. Okay. Now we're like at the ear. Once we're at the ear, just grab all the hair that's left and combine it. And this will start the curls sooner in the back.
Okay, got it.
Great. And now pull it around the headband. And I'm hoping it's going to stay. Let's see. Wrap it around once, twice. All right, now we're at the end, right? So what we're going to do, we're at the end of the hair. We're going to fold the end of the headband up. Great. And then add the scrunchie over that entire wad. And this being folded over kind of just clamps in the extra bits of pieces of hair. Perfect. Okay. Now, can you twist it a little bit? It looks good. You nailed it. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Awesome. Is it sliding out? Is it sliding out a little bit? No, it's good. No. Okay, cool.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that did it.
Fabulous. All right.
Yeah, because before they were like loose up here and now they're not.
Fabulous. It looks great, Abby. You nailed it. Now we can feed it on the other side. And I know we're supposed to make the headband look, but you're going to get little space buns. That's the way for short hair. Is this little like
I probably I don't like love my hair like up and up super a lot, so I probably won't wear it out. I'll probably
Perfect.
sleep in it.
Well, you look cute in it anyway, honey. So
Thank you.
cool. And then we just repeat it on the other side, small section up and over. And like doing it twice around is going to help lock it in. I'm going to make one comment that you can try out
Okay.
to like A/B test if you like. The first two sections, we're going to keep it exactly the same. They're small sections close to the hairline, wrapping it around once, wrapping it around twice. One note, your arms are kind of like this. It's easy
Yeah.
if you just bring them down. There you go. It'll feel more comfortable. Does that feel better?
Yeah.
Okay,
That's
cool.
like
Awesome. So once we do those first two sections, what you can do is instead of like keeping the headband close to your hairline for the rest, you can kind of angle it backwards more towards your heart line. And
okay.
that means that when you grab your section, grab a section that goes all the way to where the headband would sit at that part line. And that'll help the curls start sooner in the back. And you get less of like a flat top, which is a thing for short hair that's more noticeable because you have less hair
Right.
curled. So when you do it this way, I don't know if this is pretty. Doesn't look the best, I'm sorry, but here we go. Still doing the same thing, wrapping it once, wrapping it twice, which will help with the layers. And then just grabbing the hair all the way deep in instead of close to the hairline. You're going all the way in so that it brings the headband kind of closer to the part line in the middle. And then you end it the same way. And so as you can see here, the headband's sitting like deeper on my head as opposed to the first one, which is like the traditional way. And that'll help with the curls starting sooner in the back if you like.
I think it'll also help with. Did I put two?
Oh,
Like I
well,
put both on there. I'll just use this for this.
fold it, yeah, fold and pinch and then grab. The folding also helps, gives you time to find the scrunchies.
Oh yeah, I definitely like that better. It pulls it up too.
Pulls it up. It's like more of like a French braid type thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that'll start it sooner. But you nailed it. You did a great job. Perfect.
Yay.
Abby, you're a pro. Round of applause for Abby. You nailed it.
Yay. This is
Great.
so helpful because I feel like people always get the things and then they're like, well, it doesn't work.
I know. And I'm like, it can
You just
work.
learn
Just
how to
give
use
me
it.
a second. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you just gotta learn how to use it.
Yeah, and I'm more than happy to help anytime because, yeah, this is a very awesome product. And if I can help teach others how to use it, then we're good to go.
I love it. Thank you so
Awesome.
much.
My pleasure, Abby. One other little tip is when you're taking it down, you can, so you know how we like kind of twist it to tighten it? I forgot to do it on the
Yeah.
side, but you can twist it the other way when you're taking it down. You don't have to follow me on this. It'll just loosen it up and make it easier to have the hair slide out. And then
Oh,
the
cool.
hair comes out. Granted, my hair is not really curled right now. If it comes out in like kind of like a sausage or like not enough curls, you can just simply like break apart and do a little like finger twist as many times as you want, and it'll just like pop into those curls. So you can create like more of like a full head of curls, shake it up at the roots if you want. But that way it's not just like one curl or one big loop. It's just, yeah,
Cool.
it'll pop right in. You can't.
And I shouldn't really put anything on it before, should I?
Um, whatever you normally use, you can keep using because your hair type will be good. It's going to set something. So if you use like leave-in moisturizers or you normally use like frizz, whatever, anti-frizz stuff, throw it on in serums. You can do that.
Okay, cool.
But you don't have
Awesome.
to. Unless it's humid and you're like, my hair is going to go flat because I'm in Puerto Rico, then lightweight mousse is the thing that adds a lot of hold.
Okay, cool.
Is my recommendation. Yeah. Cool,
Yay.
Abby. Awesome. Any other questions for me, hun?
I don't think so. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. And if you ever want to sign up for another one of these, more than happy to. Always here to
Okay.
help, honey. It was so nice to meet you, Abby. Thank you for being
Nice
our
to meet you
girlfriend.
too.
Bye, honey.
Bye.